was just for fun.
Yun na, sabi sa'yo eh. Yung itsura niya yun.
Those days are gone.
Oo.
Makakasabay ko nga eh.
Bago na lumawa. Tapos
Living
kapag
alone.
na.
I
Yes, sir.
think of all the friends I've known.
Sabi niya, hindi, hindi ko lang.
What can I do in the telephone?
Hindi ko lang ako.
Nobody's home.
Pwede kayo kumantay. Hami
Kamusta ka ganun yung itsura ni Mami?
All by myself.
BGN tayo.
Don't wanna be
Sorry daw kaya hindi nakarating.
all by myself.
Hindi makita yung daanan. Pre,
All by myself.
dapat i-video niya yan.
Don't wanna be all by myself anymore. Hard to be sure. Sometimes I feel so insecure. And love so distant.
Bira ang mangyari yung men. Birthday mo lang yan.
Remains the view. This song is dedicated to Korea.
Dikit mo na. Di pa, matagal pa. Pipersa ka pa, pre. Meron pa. Pipersa ka pa.
Ganun na yung Mami. Ganyan din.
To all my loving fans, thank you. All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself anymore.
Ano mo rin?
All by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself
Manatang mo rin ang simplicity.
anymore.
Panginoon. Sa mga oras na to, naway pagpalain ka at hapusin ang anong kamay
Kuya ko,
ni Brother Boy. Dahil sa tagal ng pinagsamahan ninyo,
Kanina ko bakit
Sino ba ito? When I was young, I never needed anyone.
wala, ito na magsasalita.
Ano yan lang? Ice.
And I think love was just for fun. Those days are gone.
Bayanan. Sige. Ayan.
Oh, all by myself. Don't wanna be all by myself
Mamadali ka, sandali lang.
anymore. Don't wanna be all by
Mga kapatid, sa oras na to,
anymore.
pinagdadasal natin sa kanyang pagyaw, sa kanyang pagsusuloy. Sky, huling kanta niya lang. Panginoon, halika na. Hindi na kita padada. Yan ang oras na to. Napakasaya natin. Dahil nakapiling natin ang ating kapatid. Sa huling sandali na